Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Check your Android and One UI versions and confirm microphone permission is allowed. Once done, go straight to Settings, tap Accessibility, then find Voice Access under Interaction Controls. You do this now so the system can download components and request permissions in sequence. Make sure Battery Saver is off for installs, and toggle Wi-Fi if updates are pending. Start the Enable flow here. The phone will prompt for voice training and accessibility access in the next step. Once voice access is selected, grant the accessibility service and allow microphone access. This lets voice access send commands to the system. Next, pick Control Scope. Full control lets you navigate apps and type, whereas limited commands reduce scope for safety. Select your language, and if offered, download the offline voice model so commands work without internet and run faster. Adjust command labels and feedback level to balance verbosity and control. You'll test basic navigation immediately after configuration to confirm behavior. Finish by running a quick checklist. Open an app by name, scroll with voice, select elements using shown numbers, and dictate a short message to verify typing. If recognition is jittery, go back into voice access settings to lower sensitivity or change feedback verbosity. This often fixes false triggers. If things still fail, restart the phone to refresh services, then disable and re-enable voice access or reinstall its components. For persistent issues, check microphone permissions again. Most problems trace back to blocked access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.